Okay, good morning, boys and girls. We are going to practice charts 6 through 9. So if you're watching us at home, put yourself on pause and head over to the videos and go through charts 6, 7, 8, and 9, and then come back over here when you're done. Okay, so yesterday we talked about this for the first time, that when a root word ends with one consonant and the vowel is short, we have to double the consonant before adding a suffix beginning with a vowel. So on the board, I've got 3 words that all have a short vowel. Okay? So it's telling me that when my vowel is short, if my suffix begins with a vowel, then I have to double the consonant. If it's a consonant, I just add it. So we talked about adding S yesterday. So if I want to change this word hum to hums, then all I'm going to do is write the word and put the S on the end. But if I want to change this word to humming, I am humming a song, then I have to do something because ing starts with an I, which is a vowel. So what do I need to do, Luke?
Double the consonant.
I have to double my consonant at the end, which is M, so I need to put 2. Then I can put my ing. Okay? Yes, sir.
If you don't add the double consonant, it's going to be huming.
Right.
That is not a word.
That is not a word because huming, I would have to have, if without my double consonant, it makes my vowel go long. Okay? So when we look at our word, we have to read it the way that we wrote it with all of the different markings. Okay? So my next word is what?
Sips.
Sip. What if I want to make it sips? What am I going to do?
Add the S.
All I need to do is write my word and add the S. But if I want to make it sipping, I'm sipping a cup of coffee. Double P. ing. Sipping. What word do I have over here? Tug. So if I want to make tugs, I'm just going to write it, add my S. But if I'm going to make tugging, I am tugging. Double G-I-N-G. Very good. I think you guys got that lesson down and yesterday was your first day. Very good. All right, our special sound we're going to work on today is the E-A-R, and it's going to say the sound ear, just like that. Those 2 things you're supposed to have turned on this morning on the side of your head. An ear. So if you're going to write the word ear in a story, I have an ear to hear. I'm going to use E-A-R because it says ear. Okay? Let's say this one together. Ear and ear. E-A-R. Okay, let's do it one more time. This time I'd like to hear everybody, ladies, eyes on the board, not talking, together.
Ear and ear. E-A-R.
Very good. So we'll take a look at some words that have the sound ear. Now we're going to see that E-A-R can make 3 different sounds just like E-D does. And they're different sounds. But today what we're working on, excuse me, turn and face the board because if we're going to talk, I'm going to need to give a red point. Okay? Our E-A-R today is going to say ear. So let's sound these words out together. Deer, deer. Ear, ear.
Ear,
Ear. Cool, ear, clear. Tear, tear. Ear, weary. That means kind of tired and worn out. I'm worn out and weary.
Lazy.
Not lazy, just tired and worn out. All right, so we're gonna circle the special sounds, ear and ear. So if you're watching us at home, would you please take out a pencil and a paper, copy down those words, and circle your special sounds. And there are no vowels to mark because our special sound are those vowels today. All right, so here we go. Check your work if you're at home with us. We've got the EAR circled. Let's sound it out, put it together. Ready?
Ear, near.
Cold, ear, clear.
Ear, tear.
Very good. Very good. All right.
I have a beard.
You have a beard? Oh boy. Here it is. We had a very short lesson today, but we're ready for our seat work paper. So take out your folder, and I'm going to pass this one out to you, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, this paper, I'm going to grade this one as a quiz, and you can write on the top of it that you need to find 47 special sounds in that paper. All right, go to the next page. And our instructions tell us to write the best color word to complete each sentence. Okay, you will be responsible to spell those words correctly as always, but you're going to need to pay attention to what is being talked about, what is the subject of the sentence, what is the sentence talking about, so you know what colors you're going to write when you think about what it's talking about. Do not cross those out today, because you are going to use those colors more than one time. If you cross them out, you won't be able to see how to spell them. Okay, but there's going to be some that you're going to write the same color in more than one blank, so don't cross those off today. Okay, are there any questions? What's at the bottom? Everything, that's it. Okay, great. Go ahead and put that away. Take out your word workbook. We're going to do a little quiz. If you're watching us at home, take that piece of paper and turn it over. We're going to take a quiz. Okay, so here we go with our quiz. I want you to write the blend. Math. Math. Please hold those pencils correctly. Okay, now I'm going to ask you to do, let me do a couple more of those. Zai. Zai. The next one, crow. Crow. Remember, this is the blend, it's not the word. So it's going to be a special sound and a vowel. Okay, the next one is spay. Spay. Again, not a word, special sound and a vowel. Because we had a spelling word that was like that. And I don't want that special sound at the end and not a vowel. The next one, blah. Blah, blah. The next one, step. Step. The next one, walk. You know what? I said that one wrong, so let me say that one more time. I want you to erase whatever you put down, because this is my mistake.
All of it?
I pronounced that one wrong when I looked at it. Nope, just the one where you wrote law. Okay, here we go. Ready? Wah, because it needs to be a letter and a vowel.
Just two.
Mm-hmm. Wah. Think of your vowel that says ah. Okay, the next one is she. She. Okay, the next three are going to be write the special sound in the word your teacher says. The first one is in book. Only the special sound like in the word book. The next one, awk, like in the word chalk. Awk in chalk. And the last one, swoop in sweet. Swoop in sweet. Okay, so there's our answers. Go through and check your work. Remember, if you did not get it correct, just put a line through it and write the correct one right after it. You may go ahead and put your word workbooks away, and we'll get ready for reading.